How to buy grinding wheels and burrs. A quick guide. 1. Identify the material. Match the abrasive to your workpiece. Aluminum oxide for steel and ferrous metals, silicon carbide for non-ferrous metals and stone, diamond/carbide burrs for hardened steel, glass, or ceramic. 2. Select the grit size. Use coarse grits, 24 to 60, for rapid stock removal and shaping. Choose finer grits, 80+, for finishing, smoothing, and sharpening. 3. Check the arbor size. The wheel or burr's center hole must exactly fit your machine's spindle, arbor, to ensure safe, vibration-free operation. 4. Consider the bond and shape. Vitrified, clay, bonds are common for wheels. Resin bonds handle higher speeds. For burrs, choose a shape, cylindrical, ball, tree, that matches the contour you need to create. 5. Prioritize safety ratings. Never exceed the maximum RPM, revolutions per minute, marked on the wheel. It must be higher than your grinder or tool's operating speed. 6. Inspect before use. Visually check new and used wheels for cracks or damage. Perform a ring test on vitrified bonded wheels before mounting.